I think it's going to get bigger every year.
You think so?
Because it used to be black swan. Did you ever come down here?
This is so nice. Oh, no. Oh, these are cute. Like from South America.
Kenya.
Oh, Kenya? Oh my. Christmas. Julie will like those. Oh my.
Are they German or are they Chinese? Where are they made?
Oh, I felt the first drop.
Oh, I've seen this guy on TV.
You did?
He makes these little cars. And the proceeds go to Ukraine.
Oh, the green thing. Oh, nice.
They're all the same, but you know.
Nice.
Oh, it's raining.
I see that truck. And it's okay. Don't worry. We can walk.
It's not going to be a long rain.
No.
Anyway.
Just like they said, if you don't like the weather, just wait. It will change. It'll change.
We have
Oh, no, we're doing good. I see a lot of people, Trino.
Yeah, I guess I was comparing it to the other one.
Yeah,
But it's the first year.
it's a spread out, yeah.
Yeah, hinterland and
Oh boy. Ooh, hello. Death. Hello. Shine. YouTube channel, people. Oh, they got tips over here. Call my papers. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my, and it is big. If you guys ever had a chance to come here to Green Bay, people, give it a shot. Look at all of these wonderful art festival. A lot of beer, a lot of food, and a lot of good music.
Give him some push this one.
Publicity.
Okay, I'll take it.
What is this name? Do you have a website or anything?
It's cowyardstudio.com. It's a weird name, but I have my studio's in an old barn. So,
Yeah?
I always say the magic happens in the cow yard.
Okay, so are you on Facebook?
I'm on Facebook. I'm not great at posting. I'm on Instagram too, and I have a website.
Okay, and that's here in Green Bay, Wisconsin, or where are you located?
My studio's in Chilton, Wisconsin. and
Oh,
I live
Chilton.
in Oshkosh. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Oh, yeah, mi amor.
You can sing and dance to it when we get there.
Dando las vueltas. pero tú ya tienes otro
Names and their information.
merecido. Ya verás. Oye, mi amor, no me digas que no.
Yeah.
Nice. So it has an art festival, the 28th to the 30th. Wow. Wow. Way to drink. Sure. Hey, you guys, I finally catch up to you. Woo! Yeah, baby, I'm a big kind of woman. Woo! Hello! Bye, guys! I am right here. Yeah, I did. Yeah, well. That's it.